In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit your website using Wix. First, we'll start by navigating to the Wix website. You'll need to open your browser and type in wix.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the login button. This is usually situated at the upper right corner of the page. After clicking it, enter your credentials to access your account. Here's a tip. Always make sure your passwords are strong and secure to protect your website data. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. Look around and you'll soon spot the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to the Wix website editor. The Wix editor offers a plethora of tools and options, making it a great platform for both beginners and seasoned developers. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you're in good hands. Next up, we're going to look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Pages and Menu. By clicking on this, you're accessing the heart of your website's navigation. Each page on your website is crucial for building your online presence, so take some time to familiarize yourself with each one listed here. Now, if there's a particular page you want to protect, simply hover over its name. You'll see a small icon appear indicating settings. Give that a click. This opens up further settings for that specific page where you can get into the nitty-gritty details. You'll see various tabs, each outlining different functionalities that you can adjust to fit your needs. We are specifically interested in the Permissions tab today. This tab gives you control over who can access the page. Click on it and you'll see that it offers a few options. We want to enable a little extra layer of security for our page. So we'll choose password holders only. This ensures that only those with the password can view this particular page. Having selected that option, you'll be prompted to enter in password. Make it something secure and memorable. After typing it in, be sure to hit save. Saving your changes is crucial as it finalizes the new settings for your page. Alright, we're almost at the finish line. To make all these changes live, go ahead and click on the publish button. This button usually sits at the top right corner of your editor. Publishing is the final step which implements all your recent alterations onto your live website. And lastly, not to be overlooked, remember to click on done to wrap everything up. This exits the editing process and takes you back to your dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully managed your website using Wix